Over 1.5 billion people drink this every day. Orange juice being the most drunk, and second is apple juice. They think it's healthy. Today I'm going to discuss whether these things are healthy for you or not.
How does a food go from being merely good for you to achieving full-fledged superfood status?
What are your superfoods?
So what are superfoods?
The absolute healthiest foods that you should be eating.
This is the most nutrient-dense food that you can find.
Superfoods.
Superfoods.
But are you eating the right superfoods?
Superfoods. Now we've got superfoods.
Superfood.
The word superfood is not regulated, right? So any marketer can call a food a superfood?
I suppose when you're drinking these, the idea is that you're eating a fruit. But one of these, the apple juice, for instance, actually the orange juice contains 4.5 squeezed oranges. Now, my question is, where would you eat 4.5 oranges? It doesn't make any sense. If you eat an orange, I can bet you that once you finish the orange, you don't want another one. So why would you want to eat 4.5 oranges in one go? And the other thing is, they get the fruit, they blend it, so all the fiber has been destroyed. Essentially, you're drinking sugar. And I think one of them contains over 30 grams of sugar. I know a lot of people say,
when sugar comes from natural sources, it's actually okay.
But it isn't, because your body does not know the difference between table sugar and this. You might as well just put table sugar in water and drink it, because this is just fructose and glucose, just like table sugar.
Oh, I'm getting a little bit of fiber in it.
But the fiber is irrelevant. The fiber here is negligible because you've destroyed it by blending it. I would rather, when you get up in the morning, eat something that doesn't raise your blood sugar, because this will raise your blood sugar very high. And in fact, it will stop you from making the right food choices when you go to work. Because when your blood sugar level is high, your insulin level is also high. And that makes your body ask you for more sugar. If you're honest about it, every time you drink this and you go to work, you find that you struggle with tiredness, sometimes fall asleep, and sometimes I actually get bloated when I drank something like this. But it always made me feel tired, and I never understood why. Now I know. Because your insulin level goes up. And insulin is a hormone that tells your body to store energy for a rainy day. And when the insulin level is elevated, your body is instructed not to spend energy. That's why you'd feel tired. Plus, the micronutrients in here have been destroyed. If you want a piece of fruit, just have a piece of fruit. Because this is not a piece of fruit. This is just concentrated sugar that is going to cause you some metabolic damage somewhere down the line. I had a client who had cirrhosis of the liver. She had problems with the liver, she had it for years. Eventually,
She said, Eddie, I'll keep going to the hospital, I'll be given so much medication.
and I said to her, so you don't drink alcohol?
I've not touched alcohol. I eat quite healthily.
Eventually, we just broke her diet down and found out that she was having a fruit smoothie every single morning. Basically, she's having 6 pieces of fruit in one shake in the morning. Why would you eat 6.5 pieces of fruit in the morning?
She said, well, I thought fruits are good for you.
But here's the thing. Even if this was okay to eat, fruits are supposed to be seasonal. We're not supposed to be eating fruit all year long. Whenever I say that on my social media, I get a barrage of insults.
Oh yeah, fruits are good for you, natural sugars.
Listen, your body doesn't know the difference between natural sugar and the crap sugar that you get from table sugar. Basically, fructose is a sugar that can only be broken down by your liver. So when you drink this, not only are you raising your insulin levels and causing yourself metabolic damage, you are also causing your liver to get clogged up, because this can cause fatty liver. Too much of this. Drink this every day and it can cause fatty liver and liver cirrhosis. That's exactly what happened to this lady. What I'm trying to say is this. A lot of foods that we've been told is good for us, let's concentrate it. This is not making it healthier. It's actually causing you damage. If you think that this is healthy for you, you're mistaken. You can eat a piece of fruit. In fact, I say you should only eat fruit every so often because fruits are seasonal. Now we import them from all over the world. It's okay. But if you want fruit, eat a piece of fruit. I can bet you that there's no way you can eat 5.5 oranges or 5.5 apples and be okay with it. Unless you're starving and you've been stuck on the moon for like 2 years and there's nothing to eat. But don't drink this. I know it's been normalized when you go to every shop. They put it as part of the healthy diet. When you get a meal deal, that comes with it. Fruit juices, because they're making you think that that's actually good for you. But I'm here to tell you that it isn't. If you're doing it, it's unhealthy. Somewhere down the line, it will cause either a metabolic or autoimmune condition that, and doctor will say,
We don't know what caused that.
but we do know. It is because you're drinking pure sugar. And if you're giving it to your children, don't do it. A lot of children drink it as part of their breakfast before they go to school. When my children were young, I used to make them drink orange juice every morning. My wife and I were adamant. Every morning they drink this, they have an egg, and then have porridge oats with milk. You see, we were doing it because that was the information available then. Oh yeah, it's important to drink orange juice. It was everywhere you went.
Good morning. Good morning.
There are 16 fresh-picked oranges squeezed into each bottle of Tropicana Pure Premium, and absolutely no space for added sugar, water, or preservatives. Tropicana. We put the good in more.
Don't drink any of them. These are just sugary drinks. Remember, everything that you eat has a hormonal response on your body. And when you eat sugar, and you drink sugar, especially when it's it goes straight into your bloodstream very quickly and your insulin level goes up. A meal deal will give you one of these as a drink. But you see, the new plan on the government website, UK government's own website, it tells you you only need 150 ml of this max a day. ABBEW say that that's still nonsense, but still, it's less than this. And the same goes for all the juices, cranberry juice, all of that. And a lot of them are offered women, especially ladies, or in women's health, and they say, drink cranberry juice, drink this. It's all nonsense. You don't need these juices. They are sugar. They raise your blood sugar, raise your insulin levels, they get into your bloodstream very quickly, and that is the quick way to get yourself to a metabolic or autoimmune condition. So stop drinking this nonsense.